this lesson, we're going to look at solving multi-step equations with your variables on the same side. So first step, as always, draw your line down your equal sign. And then you want to look and see if there's anything that you can combine. So using order of operations, first thing that you want to look for is parentheses. Inside your parentheses, you can't do anything, but you can distribute your number in front. So remember, between the number and the parentheses is a multiplication sign. And if you distribute, you want to hand it out to everything inside your parentheses by multiplication. So you're going to multiply 3 times 5. And then always put a plus sign and then multiply 3 times negative b. And then remember, if there's no number in front of your variable, you can put a 1 there. I'm going to put a 1 in front of my b. And then bring down your negative 4b, because you don't need that quite yet, equals 18. So then combine like terms, so 3 times 5, this can combine together to give you 15. And then 3, so positive 3 times negative 1 is going to give you negative 3b. And then bring down minus 4b equals 18. And then you are still going to look and see if there's anything that you can combine. So 15, there's no other numbers on the same side that can be combined, but you can combine negative 3b with negative 4b. So I'm going to combine this with this, which negative 3 and negative 4b is going to give me negative 7b. And then bring down your 15 equals 18. And then I want to look and see, can I combine 15 with negative 7b? No. So now you're going to write it out starting with your variable, because now it's just a two-step equation, so it's following the same thing that you've done before. So your operation between b and negative 7 is multiplication, so you're going to read this as b times negative 7, and then your sign in front of 15 is a positive, so this would be plus 15. So then working backwards, if I have plus 15, the opposite is minus 15. So I want to cancel this out. In order to cancel out positive 15, I'm going to subtract 15 to this side, so this cancels. Then 18 minus 15 is going to give me 3. Negative 7b drops down. So then to get b by itself, the opposite of times is divide by negative 7. So on this side, if I divide by negative 7, so this, actually, you don't even have to write that. You could just cancel this out. So then you're going to be left with b. 3 divided by negative 7 will give you a decimal. So you can either change it to a decimal or just leave it as the fraction. So I'm just going to leave it as 3 over negative 7 because it's not going to give you a whole number.